Blu Automotive, working to earn your trust with every service. Our oil change maintenance service begins with a test drive, during which we carefully listen for any unusual noises from the engine, suspension, wheels, and other critical components. We conduct a drivability check to assess engine and transmission performance, as well as overall vehicle handling. As we make turns, we listen carefully for any sounds like rubbing, squealing, or clanking, while also evaluating the performance of the power steering. We check horn function, washer nozzle spray, and the performance of the wiper blades. The parking brake is engaged and tested to ensure it performs properly. We check the functionality of both the heater and air conditioning control panel. We conduct a visual inspection of the exterior lights. The battery is tested for reliability. We inspect both the engine and cabin filters. Before draining the oil, we check the oil level, as well as the coolant, brake, transmission, washer, and power steering fluids if applicable. We inspect the belts, hoses, and spark plugs and check for any leaks. We inspect and rotate the tires. The brake system undergoes a thorough inspection. We inspect the suspension, steering system, and axle for any signs of damage or wear and tear. We perform a thorough check for leaks from the cooling, engine, transmission, and power steering systems. The undercarriage and the rear suspension are inspected as well. After completing the thorough inspection, we change the engine oil and replace the oil filter. We top off the fluids where applicable. We prepare a comprehensive report that includes pictures and detailed notes. Our friendly service advisors review the report and provide a copy for your reference and service record. Check out what our clients are saying.
I enjoyed the service. The 70-point inspection with photos and video is a step above any service or repair shop I have experienced.
Our maintenance service includes an oil change, tire rotation, battery test, brake inspection, 70-point maintenance inspection, and a complete report with pictures and detailed notes. Blu Automotive Professional Auto Service since 1997. Book your service at bluautocare.com.